This is a story from Galway, Kiwara?
Kiwara, yeah, Kinvara.
And this is a story from Kinvara in Galway.
Okay, so I suppose I got scale fidó. So fidó tá stráidháile beag bídeach cún and acha leis an bhargag bun na Báinne, bottom of the burn.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so a long time ago there was a tiny town at the bottom of Kilbáinne.
At the burn.
In the burns.
Yeah. Agus bhí Cúisleán, agus rí an.
And there was a castle and a king there.
Agus Gora an tan bhí an rí.
And the name of the king was Gora.
Agus deirtar go sé cóflachúil sin gur lámh amháin ní suidir ná lámh eile aige.
And it was said that he was so generous that he had one hand longer than the other.
So, ag an an céine, mar bheith sé going sin a lámh mar sin.
Now I understand. Because he was always, shaking hands with people.
Yeah. So, ag an céine, ag a trá céine, bhí Naomh Coleman, who's cinál pilgrimage Abramis, the word.
So around the same time, Naomh Coleman was on a pilgrimage through the burn.
So bhí sé as the bia fa carcha lá.
So he wasn't eating any food. Yeah, he was on one of those starvation things for 40 days. Fast. That'd be a word. Good word.
So bhí sé hús agus bhí bachan beag bídeach aige agus ag an céine bhí fééis do mór mílteach siúil híos I Gosláán a rí Gora.
So there he was in his tiny little hovel, and at the same time there was this massive feast going on in Gilgora.
Agus bhí riine agus banríine agus chulachhuine bhí an mirtin bia agus fiol agus deach marúd gra a chulchan do chulachhuine.
And there were, kings and queens, and there was so much food and drink everywhere. There was more than enough for anyone.
Ach, bhí Gora cóflachúil sin gur cosúla Grace rih méile dúirt sé má tá an béile seo dá mách an béile seo níos fearr do dhuine beheile, má tá sé tiltte níos mó do dhuine beheile tásúla go nimóach sé hoca.
But the king, he was so generous that he said, if somebody else deserves this meal more than we do, I hope it goes to them.
So, buinte buise, jarred na plátaí on the mord.
So, suddenly, the plates, they just rose from the tables.
Agus, thosa siad a gaitil síos a bhóthar.
And they start flying down the road.
So, léim Gora agus chulaghuine na saidiúí agus gach na hús good gapel agus amach lo torn na plátaí.
So, everyone there, the king and the soldiers and everyone hopped on their horses and legged it after the plates.
Agus huí de plátaí, dearch mar sin, hús a baile, I dro an bhern.
And the plates danced their merry way along up the road, did a bit of a shimmy, and up they went the road. So,
bheith is a colaghuine faoin am seo gur siad a gol hiag Naomh Coleman, mar bhí sé beag na críocnaí an Ashtabí a bhí na bheige.
So everyone at this point had figured out these places must be on their way to Naomh Coleman, because he was nearly done his pilgrimage at this stage.
Bhí mar an sin bheith is a colaghuine an seo, ní mar isig uítear.
Apologies, I'm an idiot. Everyone here probably figured out they're going to Naomh Coleman. Everybody in the town probably didn't know. I'm an idiot.
So bhí siad tóir na plátaí ar an chuí agus thos siad gol sús an sléibhte I dro Naomh Coleman.
So they're chasing the plates and they find themselves going up the mountains in the direction of Naomh Coleman.
Ach, nuair chuic siad an níos amaraníos a bhern, but tá cinál limestone pavement, agus nuair chuic siad an limestone pavement sin chraimiú na gapel sna chlocha.
But when they reached, you guys know what the barn looks like, right? All these kind of limestone pavements with kind of cracks between them. When they reached that, the horses got stuck in it.
Agus dimig an plátaí lob hús ag Naomh Coleman agus bhain sé an as hanamh as méile.
And the plates, well, they were flying, so they just went their merry way on their way to Naomh Coleman, and he had himself a fine meal.
Agus go fódín má chéan tú ar cuairt hiag an burn is féidir rian crúbíní na gapel eicáil ar na glucha.
And yet still, if you go to the burn today, you should be able to see the mark of the hooves on the limestone.
Sinead, give me a